Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, the rains were kind of hit and miss again yesterday when we were hoping that we would see a little better coverage of the rains. Some of you got some drenching downpours and some very heavy thunderstorms, while others didn't get much of anything at all. There's still a few leftovers out there this morning on First Alert Live Doppler radar, but it's primarily east of I-65 as a cold front is making its way across the area. That's primarily where we're going to see any development today. We're at 70 degrees right now. Now, the clouds and the showers did help temperatures. This morning, we're starting more into the upper 60s to low 70s, and it's not quite as humid as it has been, even though the humidity levels are up. Typically, they're up in the morning early, and some of you getting some fog this morning because of the rain showers that did occur yesterday. But as we go through the day, it may not be quite as humid as it has been. Temperatures on average around 88 degrees for this time of the year. We're calling for 87 today, and we see a steady climb as we get on into the latter part of the week. Upper 80s through Friday, then 90 on Saturday. Then, yeah, we return back to summer-like readings into the low 90s as we get into the beginning of next week. It's going to be kind of a replay of last week when we had temperatures in the low 90s each and every day. Along with that, there will be a daily chance that somebody will pick up a shower or a thunderstorm. This morning, we're seeing a nice view from our AAA Systems Doppler cam. Sunshine, a few high clouds, even a little patchy fog where we did pick up the showers yesterday. Temperature at 70 degrees, southwest wind at 5, rising barometer. Here's a look at Glasgow's AAA Systems weather cam this morning. You're mainly cloudy. Your temperature at 70 degrees there in Barron County. Seeing some leftover patchy fog and a cloudy sky over Mammoth Cave National Park. You're at 70 degrees at this hour. Munfordville also at 70 under a mainly cloudy sky to start your day. And some fog and some clouds in Litchfield. In fact, if you look down, this is US 62 as you head west. See back there in the distance, it looks kind of hazy, foggy. Has some fog there. And around the Rough River Lake area, I would suspect there's some dense fog. Your temperature at 70 degrees up in Grayson County. Air quality remains unchanged. We still have low readings in the pollen count. That's some grass and weeds. Ozone and mold's moderate UV index will still be running high today. Our hometown forecast brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery goes to Lake Malone. Out in the western sections of our viewing area, 86 for Morgantown today, 87 for Russellville, 88 for Elkton, 85 today for the Greenville, Central City, Powderly area. And the Powerball jackpot for Saturday night estimated to be now at, or tonight I should say, $70 million. And the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $33 million. 71 current temperature reading at the Bowling Green Airport. Some 60s here and there, especially off to the north and west of us. 70s further south with the muggy air and all the scattering of the showers and thunderstorms that we had yesterday. Some brief heavy downpours of rain, but not the widespread coverage that we desperately need over southern Kentucky. And now that cold front is starting to move a little east of us. So our rain chances here are going to go down, even though we're going to leave in a slim chance that we could see a shower or two popping up sometime around midday or afternoon, especially east of I-65. Then things kind of die down tonight. Tomorrow will be a partly sunny day, but with this boundary out west of us, there could be a return of a shower or thunderstorm late in the day tomorrow. And that's going to be the case as we go through time, through the weekend into the beginning of next week. But we're only talking about 20 to 30% coverage, or a 20 to 30% chance that you will get rained on. That means there's more of a chance that you won't get rained on, unfortunately, when we need the rain. Partly sunny, chance of a shower or two today, 87. For tonight, partly cloudy, some patchy fog, 67. Tomorrow we'll make it back to 88. And as I showed you in the 7-day trend, we're going to continue to climb into the low 90s as we get into next week. This being the final week of June, each and every day there's a 20 to 30% chance of a shower, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. Tuesday, we'll see a high of 93. Next Tuesday, by the way, will be the first day of July, and then we'll think about 4th of July weekend.